Hi friends, we are going to start HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create the structure of a web page. It is very easy. For example, create a new folder on your desktop and then open Notepad and then save it inside that folder which we have created on our desktop. Open this folder and you can give here any name, but I am going to give here a name index, and after that we have to give here an extension of .html. Now why we are giving here an extension of .html? If you will not give here an extension of .html, it will create a text file, but we require an HTML file, so we have to give here an extension of .html. Now save it, go to that folder. Now you will see here a browser index.html which we have created with Notepad. Now open this browser. This is your first and simple web page. Now we can divide our web page into two main parts. This is the head section of your web page, and this white space is the body section of your web page. And inside the head section of your web page, here is a title. Now how we code in HTML? We use these angular brackets for HTML coding, but you have to know that in HTML which tag you will open, you have to close that tag. For example, I am working in HTML, so I am opening here a tag of HTML, and after opening it we have to close that tag. So for closing we use a forward slash in that tag and then HTML. Now this is our opening tag and this is our closing tag. Now inside these tags we can select this head section and this body section of our web page. So the first one is head, so head is selected, but we have to close it because we have opened a head tag, so we have to close it and then open a body tag and then close that body tag. Now if I type anything inside the body tag, for example web modification, and then save it, refresh it, here is a text web modification. Now how to create a button inside the body of my web page? Go inside the body tag and create a tag of button, and then give here a content which you want. I am giving here click me, and after that I have to close this tag like this and then save it, refresh it. Here is our button with a content click me. So HTML is not a difficult language. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. We can use any text editor like Notepad, Sublime Text Editor, and Visual Studio Code, etc. for HTML coding. In my opinion, Visual Studio Code is the best best text editor because it is fast, cool and easy to use. If you want to download it, you can go to the website of Visual Studio Code and download according to your operating system. We will start HTML coding in our next video. Stay with us. Thank you.